Pasta with seafood. This is a meal that I will always go for. This counts as my favorite dish. So today I'm going to make it at home since I've always been eating it in a restaurant. The first thing I'm going to do is to chop my white onion into really small cubes, then crush my garlic and cut them into small cubes. I'm going to soak my tomato in hot water so I can peel off the skin later. Then I will be boiling my octopus in water with whole black pepper, onion, chili, tomato and carrot. In a hot cooking pan, I'm going to add butter with cooking oil, garlic, and then I will introduce my white onion, mix it well. At this point, my octopus is ready. I'll be using white dry wine and I'm going to put this into the pan with garlic and white onion. Then I will stir it well, let it cook for 3 minutes. Then I'm going to introduce my black pepper with the tomatoes. I already peeled the skin off. I will also add salt, and at this point my pasta water has boiled, so I'll add in pasta and salt, and then I will start chopping off my octopus. I'm going to cut my octopus into small medium size, and then I will add some tomato paste into my pan with a mixture of the tomatoes and everything. Mix it well, and then grate some lemon skin and some paprika, and then I'll put my shrimp with lemon juice. I'm going to mix this well. Then I'll add my octopus, mix it well. Before I put my coriander, mix this well, and then I introduce my pasta immediately. Then I'm going to mix this well. At this point, I'm salivating. I'm telling you, this meal is really, really tamu. I can always go for this. And this is how you make